Hello friends, God bless you. My name is Penny. On today's video, I'm going to take you along with me as I show you how to make a good homemade Southern style cornbread. And I'm telling you, it is good. So let's get started. First of all, you will need some cornbread. And for my recipe, I use Jiffy cornbread. Now, if you want to use homemade cornbread and you want to make yours from scratch, that is fine. The ingredients here is so simple. You can use a box, and I use a box and a half, milk and 1 egg, and mix this. And friends, I thank you so much, and I hope y'all have a blessed Thanksgiving, and I hope that you enjoyed this video on today. After you thoroughly mix your cornbread, then prepare your baking dish, and I prepare my baking dish with some butter. Set your ovens for 350 degrees, and it cooks approximately 35 minutes. I am going to add some turkey with it. So guys, I thank you for joining in, and I also just wanted to share with you, if you see this, these are my beautiful spoons. What do you call these? Guys, I forgot what you call these. Y'all help me out. But these are so beautiful, guys, and I bought these from Target, and I just wanted to share it with you, being that Thanksgiving is this week. And I'm telling you, it's so pretty. It says thankful. It got a pumpkin on it. It has welcome fall, and this is so beautiful. So I just wanted to make sure I share that with you this day. So I'm gonna try to use these today in the kitchen. I just had them for display. I don't know, I might not even use them. And also, friends, I apologize for being late. I should have had this video out ever since October. But also, in my crock pot, I have my turkey necks, and you need to put your turkey necks in your crock pot a day before so that it can cook, because it's have to cook off the bone, and you will get the broth off of your turkey neck. Now, I did bought some extra chicken broth just in case. And also, you can add your onions, your green onions, celery, whatever you need to in the broth, because we're going to drain the broth. And this is going to be added with the cornbread stuffing. If you make cornbread stuffing, what type of cornbread stuffing do you make during Thanksgiving? So I thank you so much, guys. So let's make this recipe, okay? Just take your time and drain this, and because of these are neck turkey bones, you have to separate the bones from the meat, because you're still going to use the meat, but just separate the broth. And this is just a little process, and if you have some cooking gloves, it will be great, but just make sure, because the crock pot will cook the meat up, but make sure that you're taking time taking the little pieces of the bone out. And this is what I'm doing here. So it's just a little process, but I'm telling you guys, it's not hard at all. And now the next step after the cornbread has been baked is to do the stovetop stuffing. Just follow the directions on the box. And I usually just add a couple of cups of water. If you're making a large portion of stuffing, you might need more than one box, but I'm just doing a small portion. And once it mixes, guys, make sure you thoroughly mix it, because I don't like it to be lumpy. And just put it in another bowl. And this is the bag of seasoned cornbread mix that you would need. So that's approximately about 1.5 cups, but you can put about 2 to 2.5 cups. It depends on you, so it keeps it from being too mushy, because you don't want your cornbread to be too mushy, okay? And you're constantly going to stir. Now we're adding the cornbread. So I'm breaking this up, and I'm telling you, This cornbread is so moist and soft, but if you have old cornbread in the freezer, that'll work too. So I did add about 3 tablespoons of butter in it because I'm going to mix all this together. I really hope that this helps someone with the cornbread stuffing this year. You don't have to add meat if you're a vegetarian. You don't have to add turkey. And if you want to use sausages, just get the rolled sausage and fry it and add it in. I'm going to tell you, it is so good. There's so much different type of stuffing. Now here, what I'm doing, I'm just adding my broth as needed, because you're going to have to add it as needed, you know, enough to get it mixed. So you got to keep mixing this, guys. Now I'm adding some meat because I got a lot of meat off that pack of turkey necks. If you know, turkey necks come in a big 5-pound, but I used some and I cooked it Sunday. So I had some left over. I had some for Sunday dinner, and now I'm using some that's left over. And you just keep, you know, mixing and add gradually. Don't try to add too much. So it could be approximately from about 2 to 3 cups, maybe 3.5 cups of broth. It really depends on how much stuffing mix you are doing. But you want to make sure everything is mixed. So just constantly mix it. I did add a little bit of seasoning, and you don't want to add any more salt because salt is in the stovetop stuffing mix and in the seasoned breadcrumbs. So what I add was poultry seasoning, garlic powder, a little bit of pepper, and onion powder. You do not want to add any more salt to this. So I hope that this recipe really helped you, because I really want to show someone how to make Southern style cornbread. And guys, I'm telling you, it is so easy. It is so easy. And immediate after that, butter your pan. I bought these pans from the Dollar Tree. And that's it. That is it. Now it's going to possibly take around 45 minutes to an hour. It depends on how thick your pan is. Set your oven between 375 to 400. And I hope if you try this that you'll let me know how it comes out. And if you need any help with it, please don't hesitate to ask me any questions if I missed something on the video. Guys, this is the finished process of it. And the good thing about stuffing, you can freeze it up to 3 months. So if you cook a lot of it and you have some left over, just put it in a sealed Ziploc bag or container, and it can keep for approximately 3 months. Okay, guys, here's the season finale. Guys, this is so delicious. I love stuffing. And you know I had to have me some cranberry sauce on the sides. So I hope that you enjoyed this video today, and I hope that this has been a help to you. Guys, please enjoy your Thanksgiving and don't work too hard in that kitchen, ladies. I love y'all. Happy Thanksgiving from Penny. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I love y'all, and y'all have a blessed, prosperous day from Penny, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.